outside? Who's outside? Who is that? Who's outside? We have to get him his little stool. He has to stand and watch. He has to stand and watch his dada while he's grilling. Dada! Who is that, Declan? Don't pick your nose, please. Are you picking your nose? Yes. Dude. Oh, maybe not. Who is that? Oh. Who is that? Dada's grilling. Dada's grilling. He'll be done in a minute and then he'll come in for bath time. Okay? Okay? Okay?